Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jovine.a.prince, and on today's video I'll be reviewing or showing you my first time impression of the UNICE hair bundles, and I hope you enjoy watching this video and or find it useful. Stay tuned. I got it delivered using the DHL Express. On the inside is this just a simple packaging of a pink bag containing the hair bundles. And also you get 3 eyelashes as a gift when you purchase the hair bundles. So I bought this hair from the UNICE Hair official website. The hair description is 4 bundles of 3-toned ombre, and I got 4 bundles, 2 18 inches and 2 16 inches. So this is the 18-inch. Come to the UNICE logo. It's a 3-toned ombre. This is the 18-inch, one of the 18 inches that I got. I'm gonna quickly measure it with a tape measure, just see if it's a true length. Yeah, the longest measures 18 inches, so I think it's a true length, just 18 and a bit. So for a first impression, I'm really impressed by how soft it feels, and there is no any fallout on the hair, and I'm pulling really hard and there is no any fallout. So I like it, so I think 4 bundles will be enough for an entire head. This is 2 of the 4 hair bundles from UNICE Hair. These are the Peruvian body wave, and it's very silky smooth and bouncy. It's an ombre 3-toned, and once you make it into a weave and they layer each other, you will not really see this harsh line anymore, as they will layer on top of each other. On the logo it says it's a 100% human hair, and the logo UNICE. And then at the back of the logo is just the hair care tips. This is the 16 inches, one of the 16-inch, and compared to one of the 18-inch. So I got 2 lengths, 2 of each, one 16-inch and one 18-inch. The only thing I noticed is that it has a very strong smell or scent. It has a very strong smell. I think it's from the chemicals used to process or bleach and color it. And so the 4 bundles from UNICE Hair. And yes, if you were thinking of buying the hair from them, I would definitely recommend it. It's a very affordable hair bundles and looks good. First impression, it is very good. No problem so far, except for the smell, but that one I think you can just wash it. It can go away after you wash it before applying it. The only thing, it didn't come with a closure, so I had to buy a closure separately. This is the closure. It's a 4x4 inch closure. The knots have not been bleached, as you can see. The closure is a Peruvian body wave, 3-toned, and the color of the closure matches pretty well with the color of the wig, pretty close. I got a 3-toned ombre hair from UNICE. I prefer a 3-toned to a 2-tone hair. It goes from black, brown to blonde, black, dark brown to a light blonde. The ombre goes from a dark 1B color to a dark brown, also number 4, and the lightest is number 27, a nice blonde shade. I'm gonna take one apart so we can see the length of the weft. Inches long times 2, which is 92. I really like the color over here. And if you're thinking of purchasing them, you should go ahead and try them, because the price is very good and the hair quality is also good. I'm looking forward to making the wig and seeing how it's gonna look against my skin tone. It's gonna be about this long. As you can see, it's very bouncy. So on the next video, I'll be showing you how I'm going to be making the wig using the 4 bundles and a lace closure. And I'm also impressed how the closure matches the hair pretty closely. 4 bundles of Peruvian 3-toned hair bundles with a closure, and the hair bundles are from UNICE Hair, and the closure I bought it separately from eBay, and I'll leave the link below for both of the places where I bought them. I'm looking forward to making the wig and seeing how it's gonna look on me. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you on my next video where I'll be making the wig, and also I'll be sharing with you how it handles being washed and stuff. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and found it useful. I'll see you on my next video where I'll be sharing with you how I'm gonna convert the hair bundles into a nice wig, and I'll see you then. Bye.